There's a spider. What's up, guy? What are you doing? Mother Nature, man. Don't bite me. Yeah, so I haven't really been around much. The Subaru is, ironically, it wasn't that long ago, is getting redone, but final. This is it. Got a new job, kind of new now, and I decided that I'm going to actually finally make the car that I really wanted to make. The last one was kind of a dumbed down version of what I thought I would enjoy, and now that I have the ability to fully tackle and put on what I want on this car, I'm going for it. So update, the things that are basically going to be getting done. Are you serious right now?
Yes.
Of course it's...
Yeah.
Okay.
Take 3.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Quick. Now I'm blanking on everything I got going on. So pretty much the things that are staying the same. I'm not getting super speed headlights. I'm sorry. I've had a lot of people bother me about that. I'm sticking with the custom setup that I did before because honestly it's unique in a way and I like keeping it. So that's staying. For those of you that have been hitting up Casey for the last 2 months, I completely screwed you guys over, and the bumper is now in my garage and it's going to be fitted onto this car and paint matched, most likely. Having a little bit of trouble since nobody makes this wrap anymore, so that's a little bit rough. But so the new bumper is going to be going on. We have a wide body kit as well. It's going on. I'm not going to say exactly which one it is because I'm trying to save that as a surprise. There are a lot of different body kits that are out there, so I like people guessing and trying to figure out what's going to be the best one. I think it's kind of fun to play with them. So the wide body kit, we also got the Airlift 3P system, which took forever because I tried to do it by myself without ever having any help, and I finally got it to work without any leaks. And so as it sits right now, it is completely aired out, and the way it's going to look, of course, with the wide body kit. We're also going to be getting wider wheels, so I'm keeping these wheel design, just bigger lips, so that they're able to it's gonna be cheaper for me but also have the right proper fitment for the wide body kit that's going on. So I'll be getting that at a later date. We did a whole trunk setup in the back with the tank and compressor and everything, wood flooring, so I'm trying to make it look nice there as well. Still have a lot of work to do. And then the fun part, which I think is appropriate for the car community, is the performance mods. Performance mods will be going in at a later date. As you guys saw probably in the last video that I was in, I got the fat body tuning and also got the TGV deletes from him as well, which actually just came in the mail yesterday. So that's gonna be awesome. We'll be tackling the engine as soon as we get the wide body kit on and everything. The wide body kit is officially wrapped, which is the reason why I am out of wrap. And so we'll be throwing that on probably tonight, hopefully. So you get an update later on next time I see you guys. But yeah, there could be a couple other things, but I honestly have to go look at the list that we're changing up, but I'm excited. It'll be fun. Sweet. So it's in a comfy. That's what it's called. It's called the comfy. Don't judge me. I know it's like a dress or something, but I am so warm, and technically it's his, so don't judge me on that one. I know I just did all that looking like this, but I love this fitment though. Isn't it great? It's like I can reach in here, I can go mudding. I think it's just perfect. So this is gonna be my aired out height. I can't keep that one serious. America. I got the wheels turning too. Hey man, how's it going? Good.
Yeah.
Hey, you want to see? I got bags on my Subaru. I got airbags on the Subaru. And then it's supposed to just go. I gotta figure out this whole thing. Hold it? Oh, I just gotta hold it. Okay. It airs it out.
It takes all the air out.
Yeah. So now it's at 0. I'll sit flush on the front now. Then there we go. So now we're all good.